Hi guys, welcome to Lexington Garden Village here in Barangay San Joaquin, Pasig. Welcome to San Joaquin. Dami naman plane dito bumababa oh. Cebu Pasig. Daming plane. Daming plane. Pahinga muna tayo guys. Pahinga muna tayo dito sa Lexington Garden Village. Ganda pala manirahan dito sa Lexington. Very quiet. Very quiet village. Meron pang chapel. Ito chapel. There may swimming pool. There may basketball court. Ito meron pa silang gym oh. Nice Lexington Garden Village. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in Lexington. Thank you.